guys, it's Marissa. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're going to be talking about how to be successful in this new upcoming year, 2019. So I have a lot of tips to share with you guys on how we can all be successful this year, mentally, physically, and there's another one, mentally, physically, and emotionally. We're going to be talking about how you can be successful this year, mentally, emotionally, and physically. So let's just get right into the video. I have a few bullet points that I wrote down on my phone so I wouldn't forget. Okay, so it's a new year, means it's a new you. So it's the time to start fresh, forget everything that happened in the past, and just try to work on yourself and be better for this new upcoming year. So the first way that we can all be successful this year is to be organized, plan out your stuff, get a cute little planner. This one's not cute, but this is all I have in my room. So get a nice little planner or organizer and write down everything you're going to be doing. Write down assignments if you're in college. That way you can never miss an assignment. You know what's due, you know what's going on that day, and that way you're not scrambling around wondering like, what's going on? What's going on? Do I have plans? Like, what am I doing? And that way you will be organized and successful for the new year, because I feel like being organized is very essential to just being successful and stuff, because you just know what's going on. You know what you have to do. You know what needs to be done, and no questions asked. Another way to be very successful this upcoming year, which is related to money, is to budget yourself. Budget your money, budget what you're buying. Figure out what you need and what you want. What you need is food and water. What you want is makeup. You don't need makeup. So definitely try to budget yourself. This is what I'm going to be doing this new year. This is probably my New Year's resolution, is to just budget myself a little bit better. Try not to spend so much money on the things that I want rather than the things that I need. Another thing is live a healthy lifestyle. This means you can exercise, start eating healthy, devote your time to just like healthy living, healthy vibes, you know, you feel me? Maybe dedicate every week one day to walking outside around the neighborhood for around about 30 minutes or so and call it a day. There's your healthy lifestyle. Get your body moving, get those brain juices flowing. That way you can work a little harder, work a little better, and just get your body moving, be a little healthier, eat healthy, eat more fruits, vegetables, incorporate more protein in your diet. That way you can be successful with health and you can live a really long life this 2019. A really big thing this upcoming year that I want to try to do is get rid of any negativity in my life. I feel like I just attract all the negative ass people. I don't know what it is. Do I just have like a negative people my way on my back? I don't know, but I'm going to get rid of all the negativity in my life. All the negative vibes are going in the trash, and all the positive vibes are coming into play. So when you live a positive life, you just, I don't know, you just feel so much better. You just feel so more motivated. Whoa. You just feel so motivated and empowering to do your best and to just try better, instead of having all those negative people drag you down with them when something goes wrong. Or just surround yourself with positive, happy people, people who love you, people who want to see you grow and see you flourish. You don't want anyone who gets jealous if you're doing better than them. I've had a few friends like that and they're all gone out of my life. So definitely flourish this new year. Be with people who want to see you flourish, and be with people who lift you up and empower you to be a better you. Another thing to be successful this year is to never say no. Now, before you think never say no, take that into consideration and don't do things that are illegal or that your parents would yell at you for. Never say no to new opportunities if they're legal and reasonable. Never say no to new job opportunities, new friends. Just always say yes, as Chuck Bass would say in like season 6 or something when they go to California to meet Serena. He never said no, and he had so much fun. To an extent, and then he fell off a motorcycle, but that's beside the point. Never say no. and always say yes. Say yes to new opportunities, say yes to going fishing, saying yes to going camping, say yes to making a YouTube channel. Just say yes, do it, and you'll have no regrets, because you don't want to live your life this year with regrets on wishing that you did it, but you didn't. So just do it. Another thing this year that you can do to be successful is get out of your comfort zone. So maybe this is going camping or going fishing or trying makeup. Maybe you're afraid to test makeup out. Maybe you're afraid to show who you really are. Get out of your comfort zone. Try new things, try new fashion items, try new trends, try anything. Just get out of your comfort zone, because you're gonna feel more like yourself when you're not living your life in a nutshell and feeling very scared to just let go and be yourself. I know I used to be like that and I was really shy, but now I just let that all go and I got out of my comfort zone. I tried new things to an extent, okay, and I try new fashion trends. I get out of my comfort zone with fashion and creativity, and that's a good way to be successful this year. The big thing and the last thing to be successful this new year is to follow your dreams. I couldn't tell you all the things that I accomplished in late 2018 because I had a really late start. Start right now, start this minute. After you see this video, start your dreams and make it a reality. I have accomplished so many things that I dreamt about and that I was like, I can't believe that's a thing. I really want to do it. This is my dream, and I've actually made it a reality. I became a YouTuber. I started my own clothing brand. I'm a fashion major. I'm about to study abroad in Italy this summer. I just made all my dreams come true. The end of 2018, beginning of 2019, and such a great start to the year. Follow your dreams. Do not let anybody tell you that you can't do it, because you can. There's going to be hardships and there's going to be bumpy roads, but you can do it. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't, because this is your year to flourish, and you can do anything. So welcome to my TED Talk. So that completes this little brief video on how you can be successful this new year. Just some tips and tricks that can help you and help you flourish this year, because we all want to see each other grow. We all want to empower each other. Women empowering each other is amazing, and this new year is all about positivity and new creativity. Get those creative juices flowing and positive vibes and live your best life, okay? But give this video a big thumbs up for successful living and healthy living and positive vibe living in 2019. Comment down below any video suggestions. Subscribe, follow my socials. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!